Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Delonghi Perfecta machine, and this was brought in because the customer said that it was leaking from the spout right under here, and there was a crack right under here. So whenever you pulled a shot, it would come out here, but then it would also kind of drip off to the side. But we've replaced this, and now everything is working fine. So I'm gonna pull a test shot. There we go. Good, and no leaks. There it is, Delonghi Perfecta, no longer leaking from the spout. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.